Hold on. My strength's at 35. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I guess whatever my strength is, half of that. I need a lot of health for what the dumb shit I'm gonna do. Dude, low-key banger song. Nunchucks! Fire and 2 timber, baby. What does speed do then? Like, running speed? I feel like I'm already significantly faster than everybody. All my health at like fucking 30. This is what I should have been. If I restarted, I would probably just redo this. But I feel like having a screwdriver is like kind of clutch, so I might as well just not restart. Wait, I didn't even think about this. Oh, no. Look at that health. I'm like double the health I used to be. Do I need to beat anyone up? Couple cops. That happens. What are these little fucking stains? Oh, whatever. That's a future problem. You know what? I think I just naturally get less fatigued. It's not that much slower, so I'm gonna search people's shit. Wait. I need dental floss. I think I get one more, then I get a cutting wire or whatever. Right? Yeah, thir. That does nothing. Fuck. I thought it would do way more. Okay, so chat, hear me out. Okay, so watch this. Dude, I'm running distraction. What's this squad doing? Fuck, I forgot to put away my cutting claws. Oh! What? 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 No! No! No fucking way! I lost everything. I just lost fucking everything. I didn't know. No, it's way fucking worse than that. Oh, never mind, never mind. Okay, so what does the cup of... Hold on, what does the cup of molten lava do? That's how you mold the key or something? What am I supposed to do? I try. One-time use? Yeah, but what do I do with it? So I need to kill a cop. What are you? Talcum?